Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple shisha at home, which will also taste amazing and it's probably quite cheap. So I'm gonna go through all of the things that I've prepared here to kinda get you to know what you need to make a shisha. So I've got coals. These are special shisha slash hookah charcoals. I've got a portable electrical stove to light them with. I've got obviously all of the shisha components here, which you get when you purchase one. I've got a shisha bowl, which was included in one of the shishas that I bought a while back. It was very cheap. Teaspoon, a pair of charcoal tongs, also specially designed for this kind of purpose. An HMD, this is basically where you are gonna put your charcoal, and this is gonna go on top of the bowl like this. It also has a lid for heat management. I have some optional stuff, which is basically this mouthpiece thing, and I've got all of my hookah flavors slash tobacco here. I almost forgot about the main ingredients. Now we can begin. So the first step that I do every time I'm trying to make a shisha is I turn on my electrical stove and I place the charcoals on it. This is because these take the longest. This is the longest step. They take a while to burn, and then I take care of the other things. So the second step after the charcoals is I fill my shisha vase, or whatever it's called, container, with water. Thankfully, because I've been using it for a while, it already has the build-up, the dirt build-up here, so we can use that as a reference point. But for this shisha in particular, I usually like to fill it up all the way so that this little, where the smoke comes through in the water, I like it to be just about submerged entirely under the water. So it looks kind of like this. Okay, the next step is to assemble the rest of the components. It's usually pretty standard on 90% of the shisha. You just need to put this tray here and then screw it in. Just gonna connect the hose. I'll also just use this mouthpiece. I'll leave this here for now. And I'll move on to the tobacco now. It's gonna be very simple, and this is how I always do it at home. There's no mess and it's very quick. So I just kind of mix it in so it catches all of the juice that is sitting on the bottom of the container. And then I just scoop it with a teaspoon. Just drop it in here. And I kind of just use my finger to take off the rest. And it should look something like this. It shouldn't touch the top edge, but it should be just about there. The reason why is so this doesn't touch the tobacco when we put it on, and then because otherwise it will stick and the flavor will burn and it will be a huge mess. Just one little thing I do before the coals are done. You can tell here they still have a black spot, so they're not fully lit, and here, and also this. I will just put the heat management, the coal holder there, so it warms up a bit while they're finishing off. So these are essentially done, as you can see. Just gonna throw them in here, and usually I just grab it like this, because it has a small hole there. I'll just leave it here for about 3-4 minutes until the bowl has some time to warm up. We'll be back when it's warmed up. So I think it's ready now. It looks like a lot of smoke has built up at the bottom here in the vase. So let's see. Not quite ready, it's like 80%, but I'll take a few puffs and then it will get going. So yeah, that's it. It's great now. I'll smoke it with my friends, and like and subscribe.